Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to generate custom CSS code for elements using Elementor AI in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now on screen you see image, title, paragraph. So we are going to generate custom CSS using Elementor AI. Now click on image. Then on left side you see content, style and advanced. So click on advanced and scroll down you see custom CSS. Again scroll down. So custom CSS option only available in Elementor Pro. So we are using Elementor Pro. Now you see add your own custom CSS here. And then you see code with AI. So click on it. Now loading. If your website is not connected with Elementor AI, then first connect your website. Then you see describe box, so you can add text according to your requirement to generate custom CSS, and also you see some suggested titles. Now write how to make image blur and reveal on hover effect. Now click on generate code. Now loading. Now you see Elementor AI generated this code. Then you see selected image filter transition, selected image hover filter transform, and then you see some instruction, and then click on insert. Now you see code edit. Now you see our image is blur, and when we hover on it, image is reveal, and now you see transform scale 1.1. So now we are going to remove 0.1. Now you see, so you can customize custom CSS according to your requirement. Now remove this. Again click on code with AI. Now loading. Now write grayscale on hover effect and then click on generate code. Now loading. Now you see Elementor AI generated this code. So click on insert. Now hover on it. You see grayscale effect on image on hover. Now you see text. So click on it. Again go to advanced and scroll down. You see custom CSS and then you see code with AI. Now loading. So if you want, you can add text according to your requirement. Now I select add a 3D shadow to the text and then click on generate code. Now Elementor AI generated code, so click on insert. Now you see 3D shadow added. Now you see paragraph, so click on it, go to advanced, scroll down, click on custom CSS, and then you see code with AI, so click on it. Now loading. Now you see rainbow color animated text, so click on it and then click on generate code. Now loading. So code is generated and then click on insert. Now you see. So in this way you can generate custom CSS code using Elementor AI in WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.